Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Highland, local, and long distance movers near me. Our team offers the best long distance moving services for the right price. We help to move you the next state over or across the country. When you need to relocate quickly, we know how to make your move run smoothly. With our basic moving services, you get loading, transportation, and unloading. We also offer all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Choosing to hire a California moving company means you get the help you need. If you don't want to do any heavy lifting and you want to save time, our local moving services are the right option. We make sure you get the services you need for your specific type of move, no matter the size. Hiring a good moving company such as 3 Movers means you get a streamlined moving experience. Our team will make sure your move goes faster and you get settled in quickly. If you need an entire weekend to do it yourself, we can handle the move in just a few hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Highland moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.